my costume number 1. Rate it, good people. What do you think about my costume? Is it looking good, beautiful? Is it presentable? On to my last costume, good people. As you can see, it is made from flower leaves. This is a skirt made from flower leaves, and it is also good for modeling. Yeah, this one can make a very good modeling skirt. Yeah. A very good evening to you from this part of the world, to be precise, Kenya, East Africa. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tende_Marwa. To the returning subscribers, thank you for always finding time to come watch my videos. I don't take it for granted. And those who are new here, consider to hit the subscription button, not forgetting the notification bell to alert you whenever I upload a new video. My good people, always comment, like, and even share. Hey, I know you're wondering what's up with you today, huh? You can tell from my halter ornament. This is my necklace. Today I just want to bring to you costumes, and it is courtesy of CBC Education here in Kenya, East Africa. Right now we are in a music festival here in Kenya, East Africa, and I, with my niece, they were told to come up with a beautiful costumes to present. They have been given assignment to come up with beautiful, traditional, unique, and creative costumes that they can use to present a folk dance. Here in Africa, especially in Kenya, during second terms or during second term in most of junior high and in primary school, that's what we call here, they do have music festival during the second term, and most of them, that's when they go present and compete with their folk dances. They are chanting, anything to do with local or traditional. If I will get time, I will bring it to you. But today I've come up with 3 skirts or 3 costumes that I want to present to you. You know, with me here when I'm in the village, she's the creative auntie. She has to make it for her niece and her nephews when it comes to creativity. So good people, I just want to present to you the skirts or the costumes that I have come up with, and I'm asking you to help me rate out the costumes. And what do you think about my costume? Yeah? What do you think about my costume? Huh? African village life. This is how we slay here. Let me show you the costumes as we continue. My first costume is over here. I did make this cut from it is dropping, my goodness. I made this cut from flower leaves, and this one is going to be a very unique skirt. In case they choose it, I don't know. This is a skirt made from flower leaves. I have here a sisal skirt. Those who have been watching me for a while, they can tell there is a day I showed you how it is made. And here I have also another skirt from banana plant. So keep tuned. Let's get into it. Help me choose. Here is my first costume for a traditional dance or a folk dance. Oh, hello. That's my outfit. This is my first costume, as you can see. I have my headgear on. I have used a wrapper and the traditional beads, although it isn't fitting well my waist. But what do you think about this costume? Huh? What do you think about it? This is how it is. Huh? This will be best. I hope they will choose this one. Mark you, most of the girls are still teenagers or preteenies. Most of them, they don't have a bigger bust. They have not yet developed their bust. But I think this is one of the best costume. This is my costume number one. Rate it, good people. What do you think about my costume? Is it looking good? Beautiful? Is it presentable for a folk dance? Yeah? Have I done justice? What do you think about this? This is my first costume with a calabash, sisal skirt made from sisal plant, wrapper, and beads, and traditional headgear. There we go. There we go. There we go. This is one of my favorites, and it is the first one. I hope they choose this one. On to costume number 2. This is a costume made from banana plant. The inspiration is from the banana plant. As you can see, it is also a skirt. And here I have my headgear here. What do you call it? I don't know. My camera isn't doing me justice. On to costume number. On to costume number 2. Good people, as you can see, it is a skirt made from banana plant, and on top here I have I've used a wrapper and tied it in a design, as you can see. How am I looking? The inspiration. Good people, what do you think about this costume number 2? You see? Wallow, 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 wallow. Wallow, 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 wallow. Rate my skirts, good people. How do you think? How do you feel, Wallow, 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 wallow. The CBC teachers, what do you think about my costume? Have I done justice, or I should work extra hard? What do you think? Costume number 2. This is costume number 2. As you can see, that is the costume number 2. On to my last costume. As you can see, this is a skirt made from flower plant leaves. Yeah, and I don't think this one it's suitable for dancing. No, this one is will be suitable for those who will work. It will work well with those who are going to present chants and also traditional those who are going to present chants and also traditional songs, solo. This one will work well for those who are going to present traditional poems or traditional chants, because it doesn't involve a lot of movement. You only move back, forward, left, right. Like it goes like this. Tamberekera ngotevi umusikita na busani ubuse ko gitangura korara Asikanunga agante viega kagotetera siringi kamote viega siringi tinyisaini nichitigo tinyisaini. Wow! And then they start dancing. So I think this one will be best for someone who will be chanting. That is for today, good people. I had come up with 3 costumes as you have seen them, and I am asking you to help me rate them out. What do you think? And for those who have not yet watched my previous videos where I did some CBC modeling or beauty pageant costumes, I did sometimes back, like 2 months ago, where I was helping my niece to do the same. So today I was just helping them to come up with a dancing costume because it is music festival here in Africa. But bear in mind, their busts are not all that big compared to mine. But for those who are in junior high, this one can work well with them. These are stories from Africa. My name is Tende_Marwa. If you are new here and you have just bumped to my YouTube channel, kindly consider to hit that subscription button, not forgetting the notification bell to alert you whenever I upload a new video. My good people, always comment, like, and share. Mwah!